The Sanctuary Lititz Grove is a beautiful new construction community located just minutes from downtown Lititz, Pennsylvania. This growing community offers spacious home sites spreading across nearly 50 acres, each home site a third of an acre or larger, which allows space to build our most popular floor plans. Choose from some of our newest design options, which are showcased in the on-site Nottingham Cottage model home, boasting a beautiful exterior elevation, outdoor living space, and intentional design details. Enjoy proximity to Lititz, which was recently named one of the coolest small towns in America, providing the perfect blend of town and country living. Bike or walk to the nearby Lititz to effort a rail trail and enjoy local favorites downtown. This community features easy access to nearby cities like Lancaster and Harrisburg. Philadelphia, Washington, D.C., and New York City are also within reach for day trips. Combined with excellent schools and sophisticated healthcare, the Sanctuary Lititz Grove offers a high quality of life for its community members. Every selection is uniquely yours to create your dream home. The Sanctuary Lititz Grove, where lifestyle meets community and your dream home becomes a reality. Your new home journey begins right here.